This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pivot up the radiator grille badge, insert the key, and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the catch. Now rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the prop. The coolant expansion tank is located on the driver's side of the engine compartment. Unscrew and remove the expansion tank filler cap. Place the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill, then raise the front of the vehicle to provide extra clearance. Support the vehicle with an axle stand positioned under the reinforced section of the chassis. Position a large container under the radiator, then slacken the drain plug located at the left-hand end of the radiator. Allow the coolant to drain, then tighten the drain plug. Remove the container from beneath the radiator. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Disconnect the heater supply hose at the engine compartment bulkhead. Add coolant via the disconnected hose until coolant emerges from the heater. Then reconnect the hose. Slowly fill the system through the expansion tank until the level reaches the max mark. Start the engine and run it at idle speed until it has warmed up to normal operating temperature and the radiator electric cooling fan has cut in. Watch the temperature gauge to check for signs of overheating. If the level in the expansion tank drops significantly, top up to the max level line to minimise the amount of air circulating in the system. With the system cool, refit filler cap and clean up any spillage. Unhook the prop and lower the bonnet firmly. Remove the key and pivot over the badge.